Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from REALME GT 5G to an Android device. First of all, go into Play Store on both of them. Now click on the search bar, type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. After that, open it. Now choose I agree, accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then we need to wait for this one to download and do the same. So I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Then you need to select Send on REALME and Receive on an Android. Now click on all of those kind of dots and choose Send in order to send all of your files. It will take some time though, so I will go only with this one photo. Choose Send and tap Got it. From here we have to wait to connect. You can input this key over here and choose Receive or Scan QR code. If you want to scan it, tap on the scanning icon on an Android, choose Allow and point your device's camera at the code. Now we have to wait a second. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. If you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into some kind of Files app, like File Manager, and click on, in my case, Photos. As you can see, Send Anywhere folder is over here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!